Hey guys, today I'm with my robot friend Mip, and he's going to do a little dance before we start our painting. Okay, so his dance is over, and now let's start our painting. Here are all our colors. We got white, which we're supposed to pour on half of the canvas for our background, and then black we're supposed to pour on the other half, and then we're switching it up a little bit, so we're doing it all out of metallic paint except 3 colors: black, white, and yellow. Except we got metallic glue, which we put into black and the yellow, white. So hopefully it's going to do some sort of metallic effect. And we also got copper metallic and turquoise metallic and gold metallic, red metallic, blue metallic, and yellow. So let's get started with our painting. For this we will need 2 different ones, because otherwise if we use the same one, these 2 will get mixed and that's not going to be good. Anyway, let's get started with our white. Now we're going to pour some of our colors. First up is copper. Okay, so we're going to put a black line on this here, and then a white line on this side. So let's do a swipe for the black and mostly black side, I guess. Let's put in a few more drops of silicone oil. Let's do the swipe for the other side. We're going to put a bit more silicone oil drops. Oh, the blue metallic paint. I like the color of that. It turned out a bit better than last time when the first swipe we did on this side, so I like it. I don't know if it was better than the other 2 or worse than the other 2 or in the middle, but I like it a lot. So we're going to do one thing that I haven't done before. We're going to do this thing called the balloon technique. Since we don't have a balloon, we're going to use a plastic bag with some air in it, which is kind of the same thing, but let's try. Okay, it didn't really ruin the painting, but it made a difference, and I kind of like it. And remember, if you want to do it more than once, you have to wash off the balloon before you put it again. Maybe I should do it one more time right here. Yeah, I think that's good. That's the final painting.